Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to learn about logical comparison in our programming language. So here, first of all, we are having two variables called a and b. So number 10 is assigned to variable a, number 5 is assigned to variable b here. Now we would like to have a logical comparison. So first of all, we would like to have the comparison of A and B. More specifically, we would like to check if A is greater than B or not. So if this statement is true, meaning that A is indeed greater than B, the Boolean variable true, which is this one, is assigned to the variable on the left hand side comparison one. Okay, so this is the assignment operator and this is the logical comparison. So A is greater than B, which means that 10 is greater than 5. Is it true? Yes. Therefore true is assigned to comparison of one variable. So when we print comparison one variable, we see that true is being shown here in the output. Then we are having another logical comparison. So we would like to check to see if A equals B. In order to check equality in our programming language, we need to have two equal sign to make sure that we are checking the equality. Okay, in order to make sure that you're comparing the equality in R, just remember that you need to have two equal signs. Okay, so here I check to see if A equals B, meaning that 10 equals 5. Is it true? No, it's not true. So it's false. So this is false. Therefore, false is assigned using the assignment operator to a variable called comparison2. And when I print comparison2, I see false here in the output. And finally, we are having the not equal sign. In order to check not equality, we need to have these two signs, okay? Exclamation mark and the equality sign. So here I'm telling that 10 is not equal to 5. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Therefore, true is assigned to comparison3 variable. And here we are printing this variable, and we see that true is being shown here in the output. Therefore, we see that here in this video, we learned how to declare two variables, how to have the logical comparison, and how to print their output. But if I change these variables, so now A equals 10 and B equals 50. So if I run the code one more time, this time the results are different. So here we are saying A is greater than B, meaning that 10 is greater than 50. Is it true? No, it's not. Therefore, false is assigned to comparison 1. And when we print comparison 1, we see that false is being shown here in the output. A equals B. Is it true? No, 50 is not equal to 10. So false again is assigned to comparison2 variable, and comparison2 variable is being shown in the output as false. And finally, we are checking to see A is not equal to B. Is it true? Yes, because 10 is not equal to 50. So true is assigned to comparison3 variable. And you see that when we print comparison3, we see true in the output. Thanks for watching.